1.
Test 1, 2.
Major Police Supply is America's #1 choice for emergency vehicle products and solutions, upfitting government vehicles for over 25 years. Headquartered in Kenville, New Jersey, this 40,000 square foot facility handles everything from a single emergency vehicle to drop shipping an entire fleet of new cars. Major Police Supply provides nationwide transportation services. Customers may have their vehicles drop shipped directly from the auto manufacturer, upfitted at MPS, and delivered directly to their agency, offering a turnkey solution for emergency models such as Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge, as well as medium and heavy-duty trucks, fire apparatus, and various command post vehicles. You make the decision and we do the rest, including shipping arrangements, parts acquisition, and quality control. MPS installation systems have been developed and perfected over 25 years, promoting efficiency and cost savings. Before installation begins, all vehicle components are carefully removed to prevent damage. Our in-house custom graphics team uses only top-quality 3M products. We offer fleet managers professionally applied vinyl striping decals, transforming factory direct auto deliveries into official, road-ready government emergency vehicles. Wiring harnesses are pre-assembled and related parts are checked and prepared in advance. All wiring is loomed to protect wires and to prevent chafing. Equipment is strategically placed for ease of use, unobstructed driving view, and undercover concealment if required. Light bars are checked and flash patterns are programmed in advance. MPS performs dealer prep services as outlined by each manufacturer, as well as providing key duplication, fueling service, and installation of locking gas caps upon request. Quality control is paramount. Vehicles are started, checked, and equipment retested before being removed to the lot. Major's retail division handles custom installation projects, upfitting orders of less than 20 cars or vehicles, and uses 1 to 4 person teams per project. Major Police Supply designs custom metal fabrications and brackets in-house to meet our clients' needs, welding unique applications for large-scale use and specialty projects. The MPS warehouse keeps inventory on hand with the parts we need to operate efficiently. Major Police Supply is an authorized distributor for over 30 manufacturers, maintaining an inventory of over 20,000 different parts. Our radio division is Spectrum Communications, a one-stop shop for all of your radio needs. Spectrum is a fully licensed and authorized service provider and reseller of Kenwood and Motorola products, providing on-site service to our customers. Hugs Cabinet Systems is a division of Major Automotive Installations, manufacturing emergency response and utility cabinetry for over 10 years. Hugs Cabinet Systems boast an extensive library of standard cabinets already designed and in service within the emergency vehicle response industry, while specializing in custom one-off cabinetry to meet specific needs. Major works directly with auto manufacturers and product designers to choose the right parts and upfitting procedures for your fleet. We're dedicated exclusively to emergency vehicle equipment and solutions, so you can expect the highest standards of quality installation and product knowledge.
Zone 1, Channel 1.
We provide free demonstrations upon request with a fleet of demo vehicles upfitted with the latest technology and product in the industry. Our experienced sales team is spread out amongst 13 states, and our dedicated GSA division travels nationwide for federal government and military customers. In addition, our knowledgeable inside sales team and customer service staff can assist you in our showroom or over the phone. Major Police Supply, a total solution provider managing installations for the largest law enforcement and government agency fleets in the world.